Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today will be the final part of the scavenger hunt of finding eggs in colour by numbers, pet and farm animals. And this is by Articles, I think it's called, Articles or Art, that one anyway, by that company. And we are going to finish off this page here of the two little chickies, and we're going to be using the brute fainers, and we're going to use 102 and 104. 102 is for number 13 and 104 is for number 12. So this will be a nice quick video. I'm just going to sharpen this pencil. So how is everybody today? I'm doing fine. I've just been doing a double page spread from a Kirby Roseanne book, and I finally did my first ever watercolour page. I was gonna continue on with that in this video, but thought I'll finish this page on camera with you guys and then I'll finish that one off on my own time. Only got a little bit left to do on it, to be honest guys. It's really fun. I've probably done like a million things wrong, but I've really enjoyed just colouring in watercolours, to be honest. I am using the Darwin. I'll show you guys what I am actually using. I'm using these watercolour pencils for the page. And I'm not gonna lie guys, they are absolutely amazing. My sister didn't like them, so she gave me them, and to be honest, it's the best free gift I've got off someone, honestly. I don't think she realised how to use like them, so she just gave me them, you know what I mean? And she gave me them like 3 years ago, and I'm finally just colouring with them. I haven't coloured that many pages this month, but definitely next month I will be doing a lot more. But if I do that double page spread by times tomorrow, because the next video will be the complete pages, I would actually have done 2 double page spreads in 1 month, which never happens, so. If you guys had this book and you'd like to do a buddy colour with me, just let me know in the comments or on Instagram, and I will definitely do a buddy colour with you. Or in any of the books that you do find, like in my flip throughs, that you'd like to do a buddy colouring, I'd love to do them. I just love buddy colouring, to be honest, guys. I'm definitely going to try and get more of them, more watercolours than that though, because they're the only ones I've got, but they haven't got any like skin tones or like any, as I call, normal colours. They've got like bright bold colours, which is nice for like plants and that, but if you want to like do people and that, I can't really do people unless it's like mermaids or like different skin tones and stuff. So if you guys are like watercolour experts and you know your watercolours, just let me know what's the best one but on a budget. I'd love to know in the comments, or DM me or something like that and just tell me, because I do actually want to like invest in some of them. If you want me to do any supplies that you really like and you want me to do like a picture with them, just let me know and I'll just like do that for you. And this is going to be a very short video because I've got this top bit to do and then we're done for the video. And this one is 104 in the brief furnace. Yeah, that weird noise, that was an air freshener. I had the door open. I don't usually keep the door open in my art room, but I wanted to keep the door open because the dogs seem very like on edge tonight. So I just kept the door open for them so they can hear my voice, so they don't feel like they're alone. I'll show you guys the next page that I'm going to be doing. I think it's hair buns, I said last video. I'll show you when I've done this top bit and then you know. So what is your favourite medium? Because obviously I love markers. Markers are like my babies, to be honest. But I don't know. I'm really thinking watercolour might be my favourite. It's because I've never actually done it. I've always said I'm gonna watercolour a page and never get to do it. Like I never have the guts to do it, and then Jamie was like, you know what, you need to do a picture on the prompt list, and I was like, I'm gonna, this is like God telling me stop being such like a scaredy cat and do it. And don't get me wrong guys, I was petrified when I was doing it because I thought too much water, it's gonna go through to the other side, it's gonna ruin paper, it's gonna look awful. But to be honest guys, all it does really for me is crumple the paper like crazy. But I don't mind it. I really don't mind it. I know some people that can drive them insane, but for me, I don't mind it. Sorry for opening the camera, guys. I want to welcome all my new subscribers and welcome back to all the returnings, and if you're just here for the first time, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, all that fun stuff, share with your friends and join this amazing colourful family. Because you guys aren't just subscribers or fans or whatever you want to call yourselves, you guys are legit family. My whole channel isn't just about like what I want, I'm trying to do what you guys want as well. Sorry if you hear a little bit of snoring, it's the dog. Yeah, you'd think it's a human, I know. He really snores like a human, it's hilarious. So I've done this page. I told you it was going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you guys what the next prompt is, which I think it is. Oh, sorry, it was. When I quickly check. It is a hair bun. And I can see the book from where I'm sitting, so. Let's have a little business. So the next book we're working is Chibi Girls 2 Books in 1 by Jade Summer. This is one of my 10 books to complete for the year. I don't think it's going to happen, to be honest, guys. And it is going to be this page here. So I can't wait because I haven't used my markers in so long, so it's going to be really fun to do this. And I haven't even done a grayscale page in so long, so it's going to be really fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. Don't forget to follow my Facebook group page and my Instagram, all in the description down below, and give my TikTok a little bit of love. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and I love you. Bye.